God bless you. In this section, we are going to study about place value. Place value of a digit is the value of digit or number depends its position. For finding the place value, digit multiply with position will give the place value. So 732. Find the place value of 3 in this number. The place value of 3. Place value of 3 equal to, we need to find the position. Here the position of 3 is 2 is at 1's place, 3 is at 10's place, and 7 is at 100's place. And then therefore from the equation, so the digit is 3. 3 multiply with position, which is the position here. The position is at 10's position. So we can write it as 10, and then therefore the value of place value of 3 is 30. Okay. Place value of 7 is equal to 7 into position is, its position is at 100's place, so 700. Therefore the place value of 7 is 7. We will see one more example in the place value. 7321. Find the place value of 1 from the given number. Here the position of 1 is at 1's place, and 2 is at 10's place, 3 is at 100's place, and then 7 is at 1000's place. So the place value of 1 equal to 1 into digit is 1 multiply with position, which is its position, 1's position. 1's position can be write as 1 itself. 1 into 1, which is equal to 1. Therefore the place value of 1 is equal to 1. We must remember that always the number or the digit at 1's place or the unit's place is same. This 1's place is also known as unit's place. See, in this number 7872, find the place value of 7. Here 7 are repeating. Then how will you find the place value of 7 from this number? For that, we know place value of 7 is equal to digit into its position. So the position of 7 in this number is 1 at 2 at 1's place, 7 at 10's place, 8 at 100's place, and again 7 at 1000's place. So the place value of 7 is equal to 7 into, we take this 7 into its position. It is at 10's position. Then one more 7 is here. So again write that 7 multiply with its position. Its position is at 1000's place. So 1000 we write. Then we need to add it together. Then what is the answer? 7 into 10 is equal to 70. Then 70 plus 7 into 1000 is equal to 7000, which is equal to, what will be the final answer? 7070. So if the digit in a numbers are repeating and we need to find the place value, what we need to do is we need to add the values together. In this example, find the place value of 0 from the given number. We know 1 is at 1's position, 0 is at 10's position, and 2 is at 100, 4 is at 1000's position. So, place value of, the same way we can write place value of 0 equal to digit with its position. So, which is the digit? 0 is the digit. 0 multiply with its position. Which is the position? It is at 10's position. We know that a number multiplied with 0 will always be 0. So, the place value of 0 is 0. And this is all for you today. Thank you. Have a nice day.